I've been practicing my fire rolling recently. I've been changing a few things up, experimenting with different variables to see what works best for me. And I've been having some greatly increased success. Overall, for the past 2 weeks, I've been averaging 85 to 95% ignition. So I thought I'd make a short video and show some of the things that are working for me. No real tricks, just some stuff that's been working for me. Got a little fire roll here, made from a half of a cotton ball and about a quarter of a teaspoon of sifted ashes. My top board is a 10-inch piece of 1x2 oak I found in the basement. Let's see what we can do. That's hot. There we go. Let's let that coal come to the surface. Whee, that's hot. Let's let that warm up just a little bit. My bird's nest is just fuzzed up jute twine, some white pine needles, and a little cattail down. Face away from the wind a little bit. Whee! Ah, finally. There we go. Let's push that into my wife's vegetable garden. I'm working here on the edge of my wife's vegetable garden because these stones are nice and rough for a bottom rolling surface. We've had some rain recently. I think my pine needles have picked up some humidity. They just didn't want to go today. But the things that seem to have worked the best for me are, one, I sifted all of the unburnt wood and charcoal bits out of my ashes. I'm using clean ashes. That seems to have helped a whole lot. Secondly, when I was first starting my fire rolling, I was really applying all my upper body weight to it. I was probably just crushing those embers to death. I probably just crushed the life out of them. Now I apply sort of a medium to medium heavy pressure, and that's worked quite well. Previously I was rolling my fire rolls out almost into yarn-like things, and they just never ignited. So I quit doing that. I backed off on the pressure. And the second thing is, with this little board, I roll it maybe 30 times or so, and then I feel it and see if I can feel that an ember is starting to grow. If it's warm but not quite too hot to touch, I'll roll it again, and I'll keep touching it and feeling it until it's clearly too hot to touch. You saw me on my second rolling, I grabbed the ember. It was really hot and it came right to the surface very quickly. So anyhow, that's what's worked for me. Sifted ashes, assertive, aggressive, but not death level pressure on the fire roll, and roll it a bit, feel it, roll it a little bit more until you feel an ember growing. And anyway, that's what's worked for me. Been having a lot of success recently. Hope you'll give it a try. Have a good day.